yung layout ang favorites mo?
Ang hirap, I have ano eh.
Ano yung wet?
Which one? Yung parang ganito yung...
Ako yung naka-red ka.
Yung parang ganito yung fabric niya. That was our last layout. Isa siya sa favorite ng team ko, but I'm very happy with the photos na napili nila for the calendar kasi it was something that the team and I really collaborated on and really thought about. So, happy naman ako. Ang hirap mag-favorite kasi parang I love the pink one, I love the red one, tapos gusto ko din yung layout na parang ganito din yung
Ilang layout yun, Julia?
Ilan nga yun? 10 layouts, 10 different outfits.
Ilang oras ang pictorial?
For the calendar, the other photos, digital.
Yeah, digital.
Maghapon ng pictorial.
It's okay, masaya naman. I was with my best friends and we were all doing what we love to do and I was their toy, their doll during the shoot. So, masaya. Bihis-bihis.
Isang photographer lang?
Yes, BJ Pascual, who's
BJ.
not here tonight. Thank you, BJ. Oh my God, malaking bagay.
Ang daming bathing suit na pinagpilitan.
Yes, kaya nga yun yung masayang part, yung namimili kami ng swimsuit and lingerie to wear. So, it's fun. It's fun. Para kami naglalaro kasi na-enjoy namin yung ginagawa namin.